One thing I like to ask my patients is, who would they be without their diagnosis? How would they live their lives differently? What would you do in your day? What could you add in? What could you include? What kind of freedoms would you have? And I ask them to sit in that knowing, to imagine that every day, and know that every day they're one step closer to getting to be that person that they visualize, that they have the power within them. We all have the ability to heal. About 90% of our illnesses are mental. They come from a mental or an emotional cause. So it's important to go within and to root out what is causing the illness. So ponder that for a bit. All my love your way.